Sometimes you want to make statements about statements. In principle, this is possible in RDF using a feature called Reification. However, Reification also has some downsides and leads to very complex graphs. I myself have been able to avoid reification in my day-to-day work, and there are good alternative solutions, especially when using the web ontology language, which we will get to know later. However, it can't hurt if I provide a brief excursus on this topic. Let's assume we have the statement Kingdom of Heaven is directed by Ridley Scott. If we want to state that this statement originates from the movie database, we need a way to represent the whole statement as node. This can be achieved by adding a new resource, for example a blank node called movie statement, and classify it as RDF statement. We then link nodes through RDF subject, RDF predicate, and RDF object to represent the whole statement as graph. So instead of a single triple, we use multiple triples for the same statement. Through modeling the statement itself as resource, we can link other resources to it. For instance, the movie database. Below, you can see how this graph would be modeled in RDF turtle syntax. As you can see, this reification graph is very complex for a single statement and can lead to severe performance issues when processing graphs that hold much information. To increase the performance and also simplify graphs, the RDF extension RDF* could be used. Thereby, the statement is embedded into these less than, greater than symbols. However, RDF* is not compatible with the web ontology language, about which we will learn in later lessons. Another alternative that I recommend when working with graphs that heavily rely on adding properties to connecting edges is Neo4j or a similar graph database. If you want to learn more about ontologies, linked data, and the semantic web in general, I can highly recommend my Udemy course. There you will not only learn all the basics about RDF, but also about the query language SPARQL, automated inference of new information using reasoning, and developing your own ontology-based apps. You can find the link to the course in the video description.